मैं बिहार से आता हूं और एक बात का चर्चा करना जरूर चाहूंगा कि बिहार में सबसे बड़ा दंगा,
भाषण समाप्त हुआ माननीय सदस्य।
सबसे बड़ा दंगा एक
कृपया बैठ जाएं।
ठीक है।
श्री संतोष कुमार पी।
Thank you, sir.
3 minutes.
Sir, I have certain serious concerns.
Not allowed. 3 minutes, please.
Serious concerns related to the functioning of the Home Ministry in our country. And I have no hesitation in stating all those concerns because we are not at the mercy of any agency, any external, internal agency or probing agency. So the main thing is related to the tribals in Chhattisgarh. We are not in support of Maoism. Maoism is not Marxism at all. And we stand with the security forces in Chhattisgarh also, throughout the country. But sir, in the name of combating Maoism, a large-scale displacement of forest land is taking place, and it is serving the corporate interests in our country. Moreover, Maoism is a political issue. It should be dealt politically. Armed forces and annihilation will not serve the purpose. And you are now trying to make a Naxal-free India, but what is happening instead is a tribal Mukt Bharat mein ho jayega. So this is a matter of grave concern. It's a matter related to the life and livelihood of tribals in Bastar area especially and throughout the country. So I take this opportunity to demand the Home Ministry to seriously reconsider their policy. And again, I would like to make it very clear that we are not supporters of Maoism. We as a party, CPI, oppose it ideologically. But this is in turn affecting lakhs of tribals in Chhattisgarh area, Bastar area. And most of these encounters are fake encounters and simply flaunting the number in the name of Maoists and Naxals. That is number one concern, sir. Secondly, related to the narcotism in this country. Without political help, these narcotics mafia cannot move like this. They are getting enormous support from the political leaders, and the nexus between political leaders and narcotics drawn must be encoded properly. Thirdly, sir, related to the census. Census must be conducted as early as possible. As stated by many of our speakers, it's the mother of all data. And I would like to remind the speaker from BJP that it was Arun Jaitley who spoke in 2001 while moving the 84th Amendment to the Constitution, the importance of delimitation not on population basis. It should be based on some other criteria also. And I request the Home Ministry to seriously take into consider all these issues. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद. श्री रवंग बरा नारजारी. श्री रवंग बरा नारजारी. श्री जोस के मणि. श्री के आर सुरेश रेड्डी. श्री संजय राउत. 3 minutes.